Yeah. Okay. All right, I'm good. We're live.
Okay. All right.
So
So we've created a free cluster here already in Capella. So what we want to do is just quickly look at the cluster services and choose connect from the menu here. So uh, you'll see that you've got the data service, of course, here listed in for the retail demo cluster. So we're looking just down about the middle of the screen. There's services, query, data, index, and search. So we've got the data service, which is required to store all of our JSON documents. We've got the search service, which is our vector, where our vector indexes are functionality.
Mhm.
And so we've got the two required services necessarily need query and index, but they're fine. So that's good. Next thing we want to do is take a look at the connect menu at the top navigation there.
right here. Got it.
Yes. And we want to copy that connection string. That's going to be how you connect from Confluent Cloud
Got
to
it.
this cluster.
I'll paste that in my notes, which I have here. Okay. That here.
All right.
That's the URL.
And it's listed there in those other steps, but it's, that's the old
Yeah.
cluster connection string.
Yes. Got it.
All right. Um, is to go to back to settings at the top nav there. And we're going to go to allowed IP addresses on the left nav
Got it.
under networking. There we
Got
go.
it.
And we'll do add allowed IP. And for this purposes of this, we can do
Why? 0.0.
just hit the button up there. It'll do it for you.
Yeah, allow access from anywhere. Great. Good. Hit confirm. Type confirm. Got it.
If we like our typing.
Got it.
All right.
Right.
And,
And anything on there?
nah.
Okay. All right.
Click add.
Add allow IP.
Okay.
Very
Now
nice.
you can see that that's listed. So
Good.
got and it's permanent. It's not going away. All right. So the next was create a cluster access. So this is how the services will. That's down there on the left nav as well. This is how your Confluent Cloud services will interact with Capella. So we're going to create
Yep.
cluster access,
Okay.
provide a username like the password.
Oh, okay. The username is going to be, what are we going to call this? Is it the
We
user?
just used this is the username essentially. So just Confluent would be good. That's what we used last time.
What do we use? Spell again? Sorry.
Confluent.
Confluent. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a good name.
Let me spell that for you.
Should know that one. I should spell it correctly. All right.
Whatever password you want here.
Okay.
The
Oh,
little,
what was,
light up green as you go across.
we did the password
We did
one.
it. Yeah, we did capital P password $1 last time.
Okay. Actually, I'll see it. So that one,
There
right?
you go. Yeah,
Okay.
that's good. Okay, and for the bucket level access, we want to choose buckets. We want to under bucket. We want to choose all buckets,
Do, 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 do. All buckets.
and yeah, all scopes, and we do read write.
Read write.
And this basically allows this Confluent database user to access any of the buckets, all the scopes, and all the collections within those scopes with both read and write access.
Okay. Very good. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and create cluster access.
Yep.
Should not save it. What the heck?
Doesn't matter to me.
Yeah, let's do it. Save it. Okay, good.
All right. So next thing we're going to do is go to the buckets in the left navigation there.
All right.
And now, this being a free tier cluster, we would typically see the travel sample bucket, but we've already deleted that. So if the travel sample bucket was here, we would go to the there's a three dot menu on the right side of buckets there, and we choose that, and we would delete the travel sample bucket because we don't need it, or you could leave it either way. But we've deleted it already, so we're going to create. Next step would be to create a new bucket, and we'll call that Confluent.
Okay. Another good name.
The memory quota is probably fine with 100 megs here, given the size of the data set we're going to load. We
Okay.
can just create bucket.
Got it. Very good.
All right, so now we're going to go to data tools in the top nav,
Data tools.
in the top
Oh yeah, that's
menu
right.
there.
Got it. Got it.
And we're going to choose underneath on the left nav there, we're going to hit the little triangle next to Confluent, and that's our bucket. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a scope here. So
Create.
where we're scope.
Oh, scope.
Yep, Confluent. That's right. You're right. No, you're absolutely right.
I go, so I go here to create.
Yeah,
Okay.
you got it. We're just gonna leave the bucket as Confluent. We're gonna choose a new scope,
Okay.
and we're gonna call it demo. I think is what we called it the last time.
Okay. How do I do that? Just type it in or
Click the new button.
you got it. Yes, of course. Okay. Demo.
Yeah, and demo, and then we're gonna do that same thing here. We're gonna call it product dash vector.
Got it. Okay. Great.
And create.
Okay. We're good.
Okay. Next, we're going to go to create a vector index. So for this, we want to do search, and it's the secondary menu along the top there.
Right here.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. And we're actually going to we're going to do an import search index. And apologies, I didn't send you this ahead of time. So
You can send it to me in chat.
yes. Let me pull that up real quick here. Right with that. We could have this pulled up already. We put it in our shared customer, I'm guessing correctly. Let's see if this works this way. Oh, it's too large.
Oh, it won't fit in the chat. You want to email it?
Yes, don't do that. I just want to pause the recording or.
Yeah, I'll edit it after the fact.
Okay.
Easier, I think, that way, mostly.
I'll just drop the file in there since.
That's not a big deal, man. It's what, third time? I think, maybe. It's cool. Get it down. And then
yeah.
for everyone else, it'll be saved a lot of time. Let's see if I can hide all these.
All right, it's on the way.
Yep. Should not be showing my email on this, but that's okay. I'm hiding most of it.
I'm not looking anyway. I'm trying to figure out what trying to get it out of my sent box.
Oh,
I have a 15-second delay on my send in Outlook. So,
oh no.
For those oops moments.
Well,
it's on the way.
Still love Outlook, but I'm now a fan of Google Calendar and everything. I've been using it for so long; it's not that bad.
Oh no, I use all that personally. It's great. You wouldn't bother me at all if we went all the Google stuff.
Ooh, cool.
All right, so that file, we can just save that file locally.
Okay. I will copy this file into my notes. I have a copy of the file. I don't have it on file. It would take me forever to find it. There we go.
Okay, and then we're gonna create the vector search index from file.
Okay.
I think you just need I think you can actually upload the file, but let's see.
Well, actually, yeah, I'll put it in the GitHub. So that's good. That's what we'll do. Okay.
So you can see in here that we've got source name of Confluent. I'm trying to see product vector, demo.product vector as listed under types. That's the scope and the collection that we've used. So anyway, this is and then you've got a vector index definition. It's going to be indexing the the vector field
Okay,
in your data, your product vector that you're pushing over. So
okay. We'll put this in notes. Um, why is it not doing this? Um, where to insert. Well, I think I've forgotten. Hold on. Back a minute. Um, so way to do this as an insert code block, right? Is that what it is?
it's a JSON search definition file essentially.
Um,
Search index.
yeah. Okay, hold on. I think I should do that. Are you going to? I'll do that. Okay, that's it. Okay. Good. Yeah, great. So there we go. Got that in my notes. And we will save this file as well. Back to here. And we will. Okay, so that one was picked. Okay. Open it here. Okay, see what we got. All right, so the and then basically we upload that from the downloads directory. So let's go back here and we'll upload that search definition.
Back to the Capella UI there. That's the red
Yep,
one.
got it.
Okay.
And
All right.
search
So we can do we're going to do import search index.
Oh, that's right. Got it.
And
Interesting. So we import the from file, right?
Yep.
Go.
It looks like it's
To not actually.
it's already there.
Yeah, that's what it did.
I think you did it. Yeah.
Or was it?
You selected it. It was at the top there.
Okay. Yeah, I did. I'm just wondering if it was already there. Because it seemed to like pop up before I uploaded it. So, which is strange, but yeah, maybe it's leftover from.
EFLT product vector. Yeah.
Is the definition shareable across? It's probably not. Never mind. Okay.
See, it's got again the source name of Confluent.
Yeah.
And then if we go down to types, you'll see demo.product-vector. So that's the scope and collection. So
that's good.
We should be good.
So we'll go ahead and close this window.
Yeah.
All right. Anything else?
Let's create index.
Okay. Create index. We don't have to set any of the configure type mapping or anything else, right?
I think everything was pulled from see that vector field down there?
Yep.
We're indexing the content.
Yep.
And the vector field.
Perfect.
So that way we can return the content and the search results when we're searching based on the vector field.
Okay, excellent. All right, so we're good. Do I need to create a search alias or are we done? Or no?
No, we're done.
Okay.
So you can see that there's 0 docs in the doc count because there are 0 docs in the product vector collection over on the left.
Okay.
Once we start pushing documents into the product vector collection, then we'll start to see the search index doc count go up.
Okay, cool. All right, so we are ready to do the next part, which is go back into the Confluent side and take a look at the configuration. And I think since we already set this up, the only thing that we need to change is the URL.
Correct. Connect string for your Capella database.
Right. So we'll do this for seed nodes. Got it. And we copied that over my notes. And you know what? I'm going to go ahead since I already copied it. We started the recording doing that, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, so it's in the recording. I'm going to go here to my notes, use that URL. Okay. Got it. And back to seed nodes. There we go. And we save the changes, right? We're done.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, cool. So once we do that, we have to apply changes and the Kafka credentials of the connector will be updated. And then what we should see is a successful deployment and it should be populating the data. We're going to our connectors and we see our Couchbase vector example running. We just updated the settings and we don't see anything in the throughput at this point. We can also go over here. It should, as soon as it's up and running, it should begin processing the data through here. And it is in the connector, the topic is, let's go back to our POC here. Take a look at the topics. And the Kafka topic that's being populated is the product vector topic. We'll go into our messages and we should see, okay, so this is empty. So what I need to do is kick off the product information. We'll take a look at our, this is search inference. We'll go back to the vector embedding GitHub. And we have the SQL statement, the Flink SQL statement that populates the vector search capabilities. We go here. Oh, wait, sorry. We go here. And we look at the insert statement into the product vector collection. Everything's set up. So Kafka, there we go. And we're almost there. Insert into product vector, select star from product content. Copy that over. And the product content should be up and running. And the way we check that is to take a look at our product content connector, data source, and take a look at overview. It should be, yeah, it does look like it's running in 2 bytes a second and looks good. So let's go ahead and run the connector back over here. Actually, go back to GenAI POC and we'll open the Flink portion. And we will go to the OpenSQL workspace and we will toss in the this particular here. And this is going to be doing the vector encoding as we get the product vectors in, and we'll run this off. We should have a whole bunch of data flowing through in short order. And we will take a look at, once this is up and running, we can actually go back into our GenAI POC environment again, take a look at Flink, and then go look at the Flink statements. And we should be able to see it running, and it is running. Look at the SQL content, just verify yes. So it's up and running, and it's doing the vector embedding on all the product content. That's being put, it should be now in the topic for the product vector topic. Let's go back here to our topics, and we should start seeing data trickle in. Yes, so we have data. The connector then should be taking that topic data and putting it into Couchbase. And we can go to the GenAI POC. Actually, we should probably go to, just thinking out loud, let's go back to our connectors. Let's go to vector example. Oh, we got something under settings. The connector is running. It's a custom connector. There are new connections being dropped that are not in the allow list. We need to fix this. This is a good thing to record. And basically, because we changed the sample database from one that you created to one that I created, obviously the endpoints are different. And so this is the connection endpoint. And we should fix this. I have this information, so I want to, I'm going to do one thing here real quick. Then we can say allow to add to allow list. And these are the drop connections. They're not there. I think if I click the fix, it would take us here as well. This is really a nice feature because you're able to simply point and click and add them in. And we'll go ahead and save the changes. Well-written connector by Couchbase, by the way. So hit save. And there are more. So let's go to the fix. That's good. I wonder if there's anything else. That's good that we've added them. I'm going to go ahead and click fix, see if that takes us to the same screen. I just want to make sure of that. Save changes. And then we're going to apply these changes here. And it should redeploy the connector. And then we should see if it's running. And there no warning signs or things like that. And then we can also take a look at the logs and see what's going on. And so yeah, endpoint connection failed. So there should be some that are retrying and it should be coming through. If not, we should see other endpoints that we need to add. Unknown host exception. Is that something? CVM cloud. Let me make sure that's the right one. That's my Notion update. This looks different. Interesting.
We just didn't get that correctly in the.
Maybe that did not go through. Let me just do this real quick. Let's go back.
And yeah.
What are you thinking?
Well, yeah. I was just thinking, so it sounds like it's the wrong host
Yeah.
name.
Let's
It's
take
not
a
like a DNS issue. It's
Well, we did. We put in the wrong one. I must have copied it from the wrong place in my notes. Maybe that was the old one. Put it back. I don't know.
yeah.
This is the danger of taking too many notes. Right?
It is.
We mess ourselves up.
No, actually, this is kind of good. Learning thing. Let's go back to the Couchbase. Where's the connect information? This was under home, or was it data or connect? It was under connect. And then we have this, which does look like this. I think it is exactly that. Let's double check. It ends with 3i dash WV. And this one ends in 3i dash WV, which is good. Okay, so yeah, you do want to check this particular spot to update the settings. Make sure you got the right one. Now, I'm wondering what that's going to do to the endpoints if we have to add new ones. No, that is so strange. It knew. I wonder if this is residual information. It may be. Maybe the connector needs to refresh or something. Maybe we need to start and stop it or something. I'm not sure. It should have picked up the change. That is odd. Let's go back and take a look at the settings. Yeah, we're here. So yeah, it's good. And logs. Yeah, that's interesting. Huh. It's picking up. It's like I'm wondering if our this may be on our side that we're showing logs from other custom Couchbase connectors. But then it looks like maybe I had the wrong. I'm wondering if
At the time, unless, I mean, the time doesn't look right.
Oh, you're right. This could be like yes. Well, yeah, it doesn't, does it? This is probably scrolling through a whole bunch of logs. Let's do the last hour. Let's do last
HC.
minute.
Hang on, that may be familiar.
I think I'm looking at the last hour and it's the GUI is not updating fast enough, but these are all fine. It looks good, right? From the last minute.
Yeah.
I think it was just, we're seeing old data.
Okay.
Pop through the log files. That's all. All right, let's go. Let's take a look. All right, so if that's working, then we should see data in Couchbase. And that's the real test, right? So let's go back to data tools. Let's go to, actually, I think it's here. Product vector, doing the schemas, yes. So it has the schema now. And we create a search index. Let's do documents. I'm guessing, right? This would be Confluent Vault. So how do I see do I do a search, just a standard search?
Yeah, you see that product vector documents is increasing there on the side, the left side.
Yes.
So one of the things we can do, if you look at your email, I just sent you a few searches that we can grab and paste into by clicking on the index name, CFLT product vector.
Yes. Oh, okay, yeah. Because that's really the only index. Do we have a way of just searching the actual, do a regular query, like a GUI setting here?
Yeah, you can go to documents up top.
Okay.
Yep, and then choose the product vector from the drop downs. So you have scope set to D right now. We want to set that to demo, and we want to set collection of product. Yeah, good.
Yes. Oh, there
So there
you
you go. So you can pull up one of those and
Okay.
just take a look at click on it and click on the name, the document ID. Yeah.
Oh, I see. There you go. And you've got the vector
So
in.
now we know we have data.
Yeah.
Yep.
Perfect.
Vectors encoded in the JSON there when
Yep.
in the vector field.
Okay.
If we go back to search,
Yep.
now you can click in there and then go to your email. You have 3 files
That's
that I
right.
sent you that
That's right.
you can pull up.
I did those. I sent those to
One,
you. Did you modify them? I guess from
yeah,
the.
you sent me the encoding, and what I
Yeah.
did is I put it in the format we need for the to test the search.
Okay. So let's take a look at this. Adult men's medium shoes, formal shoes. That's a good one. Oh, there you go. It basically you stripped out the first few things, and you added the fields that you're going to look.
Yes, we added what's required for a vector search query in
The vector is
in
cut and paste.
Capella.
Got it.
Correct.
Right.
Yep. So just grab the whole thing and paste it in there.
Okay. So we downloaded it. Do I upload it and paste or
No, just
no?
copy the
Got
content.
it. Okay. All right. So Control A, Control
I
C.
think I tested this in the UI like this before, so I think it should work.
Okay. Let's take a look. Back here. And
Click on the search name again.
this one here.
Yep.
Okay, got it.
Great. Hang on a second. Go back to the top. We've just changed the search. Okay, back to search indexes for a minute. We've just changed this whole search index UI. So I'm looking for, go back to search, sorry. Now, click the search button, the little magnifying glass over there on the right side. That's where we've stuck this now.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah. And now paste the search field there.
Got it.
All right, hit search. Oh, wait a minute. What's all that?
I think I got some additional stuff here, maybe.
Yeah, was that in the file?
That was no. I think it's displaying search adult. That
The file name
was in the file. I think maybe it was. No big deal. But let's take it. Actually, let's run it and see what happens.
Yeah, run it. That's at the end.
Yeah. Syntax error. Okay.
Okay, let's go back to let's go back and get that. Make sure we just copy maybe from the file. Oh, it's copying Britain. It's copying the name of the search file up top as well. So open the file. This UI is
yes, got it. It's the Gmail thing. All right, got it. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Let's go back here.
Wherever you downloaded it from.
A little bit too much. No, it's
see it.
No, it did it again.
See all that?
Yep. Yeah. All right, let's go grab
like that's what I was saying.
Yes.
Yeah. Just use the local copy.
Yeah, got it. Let's do that. Downloads. There we go. There you go.
Yep, top one there.
Use. Let's go. We're good. Yes. Okay. So we open that. Do brackets. Not. Yeah. Okay. Brackets. There we go. And looks clean.
Now Control A this bad boy.
Yeah. I want to. Yeah. That's Control A. Control C. And back over here. Control V. Hold on. Do I have to create a new one? Hold on. What the heck?
Just go back to the Capella UI.
Yeah, exactly. All right, here we go.
Clear all that junk out.
Yeah. There you go. Got it. All right. And then search. And there we go.
Hey.
Awesome. Yeah, I've got this in the GitHub as to for how to generate those text files. And then obviously we can take a look at that compared to what we created here. I'll put that in the GitHub as well. And I think we're good. I think that's
Yeah.
great. So
You've got data, you've got a search index, you've got the search index is working correctly.
Yep.
And the only other thing would be to test, you know, via the SDK, which I can send you a Python script to do that if you'd like to try that.
yeah, I'll put that
Basically what you're going to end up.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. We have data, have a vector, and we have tested the queries. So
Perfect.
data coming in from Confluent.
Yeah, I think we can wrap here, and that's good. I'll add the ability show how to add the Couchbase connector, and I think I have a recording somewhere, or at least Kevin does. Maybe we get that one piece going, and I think everything else is done. Buck soup. Good deal. Easy.
All
Thanks,
right.
sir. I appreciate it, Brian.
Yeah, nice
You're
work,
welcome.
guys. Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks.
All right.
And just one thing, Britt, do we want to keep the meeting this afternoon just to block out your calendar, or should we
Yeah,
cancel?
yeah. We'll keep it for
Okay.
if you want, we can keep it Monday. That will keep you clean, Brian.
Yeah, let's touch base
It'll touch
Monday
base.
as well. An hour
I'll
or so
have
out.
should have an updated GitHub as well, so we can go over that. So okay, cool. And I'll do what I can to get this recording out there. So should be good. Thank you, sir.
All right,
Appreciate it.
guys.
All right.
Yeah, we'll talk.
Great weekend, guys. Yep.
All right. Thanks. Bye.